Welcome to our deep dive into body fluids and circulation. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of essential minerals. From basic definitions to complex regulatory mechanisms, we'll unravel how these tiny elements are crucial for life. Get ready for an exciting journey through easy, medium, hard, and toughest concepts. Let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly are these essential minerals, and why does your body need them? On this slide, we define essential minerals as inorganic elements vital for physiological functions which our body cannot produce. We'll discuss why they are indispensable for growth, metabolism, and overall health, acting as cofactors, maintaining fluid balance, and building strong tissues. We'll also briefly touch upon their classification and common examples. Here, we'll distinguish between macrominerals and trace minerals based on the amounts required daily. We'll provide examples for each, such as calcium for bones and sodium for fluid balance among macrominerals, and iron for oxygen transport and iodine for thyroid hormones among trace minerals. Understanding this distinction is key to grasping their diverse roles. Now, test your understanding with these 3 practice questions. Take a moment to think about the definitions and examples we just covered. These questions will help solidify your foundational knowledge of essential minerals. Ready to go a bit deeper? In this section, we'll explore the specific roles of various essential minerals in more detail. This slide focuses on key macrominerals like calcium, phosphorus, sodium, and potassium. We'll explore their diverse functions, from bone formation and energy production to nerve impulse transmission and fluid balance. Understanding these specific roles is crucial for appreciating their impact on bodily functions. Moving on to trace minerals, we'll delve into the vital functions of elements such as iron, iodine, zinc, and selenium. Learn how iron is critical for oxygen transport, iodine for thyroid health, and zinc for immunity and wound healing. These small but mighty elements perform incredibly diverse and essential tasks. Here, we'll discuss the journey of minerals within the body, how they are absorbed, transported, and ultimately excreted. We'll cover concepts like bioavailability, carrier proteins, and the kidney's role in maintaining mineral homeostasis, ensuring the body has just the right amount. Time to challenge yourself with 5 medium-level practice questions. These questions will require a slightly deeper understanding of the specific functions and processes related to mineral metabolism. Good luck! Feeling confident? Let's elevate our understanding to the hard level, where we'll explore the intricate regulatory mechanisms of minerals. On this slide, we unravel the complex dance of calcium and phosphate homeostasis. We'll examine the roles of parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, and vitamin D in maintaining precise levels of these minerals, crucial for bone health and many cellular processes. Pay close attention to their synergistic and antagonistic actions. Delve into the critical concept of electrolyte balance and its profound impact on nerve impulse transmission. We'll explain the sodium-potassium pump, the movement of ions across neuronal membranes, and how minerals like magnesium and calcium influence muscle contraction and overall neuromuscular excitability. We'll also touch on acid-base balance. Here, we focus on minerals as indispensable cofactors for enzyme systems. Discover how magnesium activates hundreds of enzymes, zinc is vital for carbonic anhydrase, and iron is central to the electron transport chain. Understanding these roles reveals the molecular basis of mineral function. Now, let's tackle 7 hard-level practice questions. These questions demand analytical thinking and the ability to connect different physiological concepts. Apply what you've learned about mineral regulation and enzymatic roles. Ready for the ultimate challenge? The hardest level will push your understanding to competitive depths, exploring advanced interactions, genetic insights, and clinical relevance. This slide explores the intricate web of mineral interactions and antagonism. Learn how an excess of one mineral can impair the absorption or utilization of another, such as the relationship between calcium and magnesium or copper and zinc. We'll also discuss the impact of dietary factors like phytates and oxalates. Here, we dive into the fascinating world of genetic disorders affecting mineral metabolism. We'll examine conditions like Wilson's disease and Menk's disease, which involve copper dysregulation, and hereditary hemochromatosis, an iron overload disorder. Understanding these genetic bases offers crucial clinical insight. Let's explore the sophisticated renal regulation of mineral excretion. We'll detail how the kidneys precisely control the reabsorption and secretion of calcium, phosphate, sodium, potassium, and magnesium across different nephron segments, highlighting the hormonal influences that fine-tune this vital process. This ensures perfect mineral balance. Finally, we discuss the critical concept of mineral bioavailability and the myriad dietary factors that influence it. We'll explore enhancers like vitamin C and lactose, and inhibitors such as phytates and tannins. Understanding these factors is key to optimizing mineral intake and preventing deficiencies. We'll also compare supplements versus whole foods. Here are the first 5 challenging questions for the hardest level. These questions require a comprehensive understanding of complex interactions, genetic disorders, and detailed physiological mechanisms. Take your time to analyze each scenario. And here are the final 5 questions to truly test your mastery of essential minerals. These problems delve into clinical implications, comparative analysis, and advanced regulatory pathways. Think critically and apply all the knowledge you've gained. That concludes our in-depth journey through essential minerals. We hope you gained valuable insights. For more such comprehensive educational content and to supercharge your NEET preparation, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Keep learning, keep growing.